Yo YouTube, today we're talking about how to get unlimited diamonds in Fishdom. As you can see already in my devices is installed Fishdom++, and this application works for Android or iOS device, and I'm super excited because I always wanted to get unlimited diamonds in Fishdom, and finally I found it. This only working method. All you need to do, you must enter amount of diamonds as you want. The next step is press generate, and now I will show you how it's work. Everything is generated, so we must wait to complete all this process. And now our account is already open, and look of this, everything is work, and now I get unlimited diamonds in Fishdom. This application is really working in 2023. So how to get Fishdom++ application for your mobile devices. This step is so easy. Follow me. Open your favorite browser. Okay. Scroll down and type this there, Fishdom++. Press install. Wait to finish this process. The last step is verification, though sponsor game. Follow all instruction after complete this easy verification. Fishdom++ will be installed for your mobile devices. Enjoy and thank you for watching.